I'm JC Coffey. I'm a recently retired naval aviator and a DoD acquisition professional. I served our country for 20 years and was a UAS manned and unmanned operator for 30 years. And now I'm the executive director for Unmanned Systems for the Cherokee Nation technology portfolio. UXS covers all domains. So we're going from the bottom of the ocean into space now, and we have expertise in all those things. The way we see Unmanned Systems is it's just an extension of the initial network. So I look at them as thumb drives that plug into existing networks and give us an expanded view and give us additional information. So when we started looking for different applications for unmanned systems for drones, we talked about the dirty, dangerous, denied, and dull domains. Places where doing it manned was just not that much fun. Dangerous missions would be flying into hurricanes or flying over wildfires to do fire surveillance. So there's different places where it's best to put unmanned systems. Now we can do them more efficiently, more effectively, more economically, and better for the environment around us. And you'll hear with drones, people will say, it's all about the data. It's not really about the data. We're getting overwhelmed by the data. We have data chaos. I want to take the data and make it into information, take that information and make it into knowledge. And if we're really, really good, we'll make it into wisdom. And that's where you're getting the best bang for your buck with the data you're achieving.